let's play chords right now. Let's do C major. Very good. Now, the fingers you used in C major, all other scales, chords will have to have exactly the same fingers, because when you play D flat major, all fingers were different. So if you forget what finger, think of C major, because here you know the fingers very well. Now remember, you told me that our sound depends on direction of how our weight goes into the key, right? And when you are playing, what direction you're using?
Forward.
You're going forward. Instead, the weight has to go down, kind of like growing through the keyboard, going to the floor. Look how I do it. And watch what my upper body, how it reacts. I go with the whole body, I go down. You can try that. Put your hands right here. And imagine pushing piano to the wall. Push. And yes, and look what, okay, very good. Now, try to open a little bit your arm when you do that, arms. Yes, yes, you don't really have to push into the wall, it's just to experience a little. Yes, so when we play, the sound first goes down and then it kind of reflects, arms reflect. See my arms? But I don't do this. Ready? Can you try?
Last time you told me to push the thing with
Yes,
the
exactly. That's what we do. But first you go down.
down.
Oscar, look. Do I look like my weight is gonna go down in the keys? No. Shoulders, shoulders. Good job. What I'd like you to imagine that as you play, I'm gonna restrict your movement and you try to push me away. Okay? But do it, I'm on this side, but you'll do it with both sides. Let's try again. I'm gonna push you. Good. Yes. Weight, more weight. Two arms. Let's do 20 pounds. That's really good. Nice. Shoulders. Here you go. Let's do chromatic scale. D flat. Not bad. It's still like that, right? So what I'd like you to imagine is that you put salt in the food. Here we don't need a lot of weight. The scale has to sound very light. And what you need to remember that when we go up, we use fingers 1, 2, 3 through the white keys. When you go backward, 3 to 1. Don't push with your fingers. Slow down a little bit. Put your fingers a little bit closer together. Don't hit with the fingers. Carry your weight. All 5 pounds. Now, when we touch the piano, remember we talked about the angle. If you touch it like that, it will be very flat and inexpressive sound. So what we do, we tug a little bit. You can try on the lid here. See, I'm tugging a little bit the fingertip. No, you're doing this. I'm doing this. Yes, yes. So when we want to make a good sound, we use a little bit tugging motion right here. compare. Do you hear how different? Yes, but it shouldn't be. This is not gonna be good as well, right? So it's a tiny little motion right here. So your fingers have to go flat because not cool, right? Let's try. See what happens. Tug a little bit. All this. Tug, tug, tug. Let's do with you little exercise. We'll call it Inchworm. We'll put flat your hand, and then on finger number 3 you're gonna try to pull your hand toward it like that. Okay.
Oh yeah, I used to do that when I was bored.
Yeah, but what you do, you keep it bent like that. I need you to use this tugging motion. Yes, good. But arch here. You need to bring the whole hand. Try again. Here we go. Yes. So I'd like you to practice it a little bit until you get used. And then you can do the same with second finger. See, it looks like a little inchworm. Not with the thumb though. The thumb goes the other in other direction, right? But make sure your knuckles go above the tip. Good. Don't over curl though. Okay. And I want to show you another exercise. You can practice with your dad. We're gonna play with you a tug-of-war. I am gonna hold this my 1 and 3 on this side, and you do the same with any of the hands. No, is my thumb above? Here. Now look at my thumb and look at yours. See, yours is like that. Yeah. And now we are gonna pull from each other and see who wins. Okay.
I think when I play this with my dad, he's gonna rip the paper.
Okay. You can practice and get really strong. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna lose now.
Okay, it's
No! Let's do it with finger number 2. Now I'm gonna win. Okay, your
Maybe-
finger's laying
yeah.
down a little bit. That's not. It's cheating. Okay. No! How are you so strong? Ooh, ooh. See how strong you are. So when you practice, make sure you feel that. Did you feel how your finger was tugging on the paper?
Yeah.
Yes, so when you practice and play the notes, you do the same thing. You can actually do it even by yourself like that and see which hand is stronger. Okay. All right, very good.